Now here is a pro tip for you guys. Some of you may not be getting 4K 60Hz resolution on your PlayStation 4 Pro, and also HDR is disabled. So my PlayStation Pro was giving me 1080p resolution with no option for HDR. Now there is a not so obvious step that you need to do in order to enable the 4K 60 HDR gaming. So on the Roku TV, you need to head over to the settings and scroll down to TV inputs. Then you need to press the right arrow to see all your TV inputs. And now you need to change the HDMI mode for each input from auto to HDMI version 2.0. Now if you do that to all your inputs, you will enable 4K at 60 Hz. However, to enable HDR, you need to do one more step. Just go to the PlayStation 4 main settings and select sound and screen, and then select video output settings, and from here you'll be able to see the resolution is now 4K and HDR can now be enabled with no issues. Now your PlayStation Pro, like magic, will recognize its true potential as a 4K gaming beast. You will see the resolution will be 4K with HDR. This concludes my tutorial. I did include this tutorial in my main review of this TV, but in case you guys missed it, I thought I'd separate the two. I hope you found this useful, and if there's any other questions or anything else you want me to test on this television, then do let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.